नुस्तेमारी बंदीचो वर्सुकी काळ फाल्यांच्यान लागू जाता. नुस्तेमारी बंदी काळात सगळे ट्रॉलर जेटींचेर नांगरून दवरतले. ट्रॉलरांचेर काम करपी चडशे कामगार भायल्या राज्यांतले आशिल्ल्यान ते 3 म्हयने आपल्या गांवाक वतात. नुस्तेमारी बंदीचो 61 दिसांचो काळ सोंपल्या उपरांत ते परतून गोंयांत येतात. पयलीं 45 दिसांचो आशिल्ल्या नुस्तेमारी बंदी काळ उपरांत वाडोवन 61 दीस केल्लो.
See, the season, if you go to see, a catch of mackerels was too high, and the rates what we've got was not what was expected. Everybody is facing quite of loss in their whatever catch they've got. Nobody is happy. At the end of the day, now we are trying to send the labours with whatever we can. Overall, could say a sad season for everyone. Who have earned. Some of them have done fairly good. Some are not very happy with the rates which have been put. Other than that, it's a mess. What you can say. See, improvisation, I think that depends on how each agent who is there has to be. They have to see what kind of rates they are giving. All the broadcasters have to sit and discuss about the rates. Especially on a given day when you have a season like mackerel, it was flooding out everywhere. The rates were just 20 rupees a kilo, 30 rupees, which is peanuts. The diesel cost is also not recovered. So it's overall, I would say we should all get together and try to fix on the rates.